Okay, so to make the centre for your flower, what you need is a piece of florist wire and a bundle of stamens. Now we're going a little bit on the skinny side because we're not going to throw them away. First thing you need to do is get your wire looped over the stamens so it forms a little trap. Now get that so that it's right in the middle. See that? And then the next thing you do is you get both sides and pull it to the top. So you've got the loop sticking down the bottom. Can you see that?
Yes.
Great. Then you take one of your wires and you twist it all the way around above that loop. And can you see what that's done? What's it done?
A posy.
Yes, and it's made it all held together. That's the central and most important part about doing this. Then you take the wire and you twist it like that all the way down your stem, and that creates your stamens. Now the really important thing is you keep that nice and low, but you wrap it around the pieces.
How many times do you wrap it
Just the
around?
one time. Can you see it's just around once? And if you need to, you can use some pliers and crimp it down. Now we've got your 6 petals here. You've got your yoo-hoo. We've got your thread. That we have to do. Okay, we got the matching thread of the cream thread. So we put that in the basket so it doesn't go away. Now we're going to put around about a dot of glue into the base of your 1, 2, because it won't set quickly enough, and it's around about a little lentil worth of glue on each one. So we'll just let them sit there for now, and we're going to actually put a little bit here too because we want to entrap the thread and by wrapping it around the centre. So we just go like this, grab that with our fingers, and then just wrap that up into the glue, and that'll stop it from slipping about. So take the first one, put that dot of glue so it crosses over the centre. Now we're going to wrap the thread just above the wire. We don't want to look inside this flower and see that wire, so we're just going to go just right up above that bit of wire. So that's our first petal attached to the flower. Now because this has already got the glue on, we can pop it straight on, so that's number 2, and we're going to keep that up at the same height. So again we do wrap it 1, 2, 3, 4 just to get it really secure, and we've got, so there's petals number 1 and 2. Now number 3 is going to fill in the gap, so we've got 3 to start, we've got another 3 to go on with afterwards. So we can see number 3.
And normally would you use the same colour
You use white coloured thread, but we've pinched Deborah, so that's what we've done. So there's your first 3. Now I'm not going to do the glue, but these ones, and as much as possible when you're making your flowers, you put them all the same size. And can you see that? And then we do that there like this, and that will be your finished flower. Now you just wrap it again, and then once you've got all those petals tied down, then you spin that and wrap that all the way down there and tie everything together, and later on put a little dot of glue to stop it from all unravelling, and then you can wrap that with florist tape. And you stretch the florist tape as you're putting it on, and you use the warmth of your fingers to actually make it stick together. I'll show you how to do that next week if you'd like to. But then these ones, you can curl them up, you can curl them down, you can make them just sit wherever you like because you've got that little bit of wire there to control the position of your petals. Can you see how pretty that is already without even being
Beautiful.
fully put together?
Amazing.
Well done.